Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on backup and tap on next. Here we have to tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here, let's enter the password and let me do this out of the screen. All right, let's tap on next. It's up to you whether you want to turn on this kind of backup. I don't want to turn it on right now. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it to check the information and tap on I agree after the reading. Here let's simply tap on the account you've just added, and now you can decide what kind of data you want to backup. So it's up to you. I will choose this one and tap on confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and as you can see, your device will show you this section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. Here you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. And basically your device is right now backing up the whole data you've got on your device. Of course, you will have to confirm everything, and we've got this info. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.